Are you looking for the best vertical rotisseries? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure to best vertical rotisseries, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started. Product number 1. NutriChef Vertical Countertop Experience NutriChef Vertical Countertop Rotisserie Oven Roaster. Versatile and powerful cooking appliance. Reduces fat from within your food rotisserie oven. Spinning style cooking. Effective and evenly cooks foods.
Product number 2. Wanjoin Shawarma Grill Machine. Experience Wanjoin Shawarma Grill Machine. 360-degree automatic rotisserie grilling. Simply place the meat up to 9 inches in stacking height, supporting up to 12 kg, 26 pounds, and start the shawarma machine for automatic rotation. Achieve all-around grilling without manual intervention for convenience and ease. Rapid heating for even cooking. Powered by LPG for swift heating, combined with an infrared heating furnace and a high-density honeycomb design heating grid for uniform cooking. Note, this gas vertical rotisserie also requires electricity for rotation and needs to be connected to a power source. For outdoor use, connect to a 110-volt 100-watt power inverter. Lighter required to ignite the heating plate. 360-degree automatic rotisserie grilling. Simply place the meat up to 9 inches in stacking height, supporting up to 12 kg, 26 pounds, and start the shawarma machine for automatic rotation. Achieve all-around grilling without manual intervention for convenience and ease.
Product number 3. NutriChef Multifunction Rotisserie Experience NutriChef Multifunction Rotisserie Countertop Oven. 24-quart vertical glass door convection oven. Powerful countertop oven. This convection oven countertop lets you bake, roast, broil, and rotisserie with ease. High-powered 1500-watt heating elements ensure even cooking, making it perfect for everything from crispy chicken to roasted vegetables. Adjustable heat and timer settings. Take control of your cooking with precise temperature settings up to 464 degrees F and an adjustable 60-minute timer. This energy-efficient oven ensures evenly cooked meals, reducing the need for constant monitoring. Powerful countertop oven. This convection oven countertop lets you bake, roast, broil, and rotisserie with ease. High-powered 1500-watt heating elements ensure even cooking, making it perfect for everything from crispy chicken to roasted vegetables.
Product number 4. Flexion Vertical Rotisserie Oven. Experience Flexion Vertical Rotisserie Oven Grill, Countertop Shawarma Machine, Kebab Electric Cooker, Rotating Oven. Easy operation. Plug in, touch the switch, and set a temperature. Simple yet effective control panel and overall design equipped with all necessary accessories such as spit, rack, tray, and forks. A wonderful kitchen essential recipes for all meat lovers. 5-in-1 versatile cooking methods. This multifunction vertical rotisserie oven gives you full control of your choice of delicacies. Imagine using just one tool for roasting chicken, beef, lamb, barbecue, shawarma, tacos, gyro, tandoor, and more other dishes.
Product number 5. NutriChef Vertical Rotating. Experience NutriChef Vertical Rotating Shawarma Oven Rotisserie. Rotating vertical oven design. Effortlessly cook a variety of dishes with this versatile oven. Its rotating vertical design ensures even cooking, perfect for kebabs, shawarma, rotisserie, and more. Precise temperature and timer control. Easily adjust the temperature up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit or 240 degrees Celsius and set the timer for up to 60 minutes for precise cooking. Take full control of your culinary creations with ease. Rotating vertical oven design. Effortlessly cook a variety of dishes with this versatile oven.